Sit with your spine straight and tall. Both your hands on your thighs with palms facing up. Shoulders down and relaxed. Relax your entire face, your forehead, eyebrows, eyes, cheeks, and chin. Stay with deep breath in and out. Let each deep breath bring you to the present moment, here and now. Breathe. Gently, you can open your eyes. Let's start with gentle neck exercise. Inhale, drop your head up and back. Exhale, drop your head down, chin to the chest. Inhale, drop your head up and back. Exhale, drop your head down. Inhale, exhale. One last time. Inhale, exhale, and come back center. Turn your head to your right, center, left, center, right, center, left. One more time, right and left. Come back center. Drop your head to your right and stay there. Breathe into your body. Come back center. Drop your head to your left and stay there. Come back center. Neck rotations. Take your chin to your chest. Roll your head to your left, back, right, and chin to the chest. Inhale, left and back. Exhale, right and chin to the chest. Two more times. Complete neck rotations. One last time. And reverse the rotation. Inhale, right and back. Exhale, left and chin to the chest. Keep going. And come back center. Stretch your arms in line with the shoulder. Make a fist. First goes the thumb and then the four fingers. Clench your fingers hard. Squeeze them. Squeeze. And stretch your fingers wide. Make a fist. Squeeze your palms. And stretch your fingers wide. One more time. Make a fist. Stretch, 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 stretch. Squeeze, squeeze, squeeze. And stretch. This time, make a fist. Wrist rotation. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Reverse. 6, 5, 4, and 1. Palms facing up. Bend your elbows and straighten. Don't let your arms fall down. Bend. Bring the palms to the shoulders and straighten. 3, 4, 5, and 6. Stretch your arms up. Lengthen your arms. Lengthen the sides of your body. Bend your elbows. Cross your palms, your wrist across your behind your head. Stretch your arms and bend. 3, 4, 5, and 6. Release your hands. Stretch your legs out in the front. Take support of your hands. Bounce your knees up and down. Sway your feet sideways. Come back center, close and open your toes. Just your toes. Point and flex your feet. Ankle rotation clockwise. Reverse the rotation. Come back center, knee contraction. Press your knees down to the floor. Engage your quads, engage your calves. Hold there. Release. Inhale both your arms up. Exhale with the same length in your spine, bend forward. Keep your hands wherever you are able to reach. Your thighs, shin, ankle, or all the way down. Stay at a comfortable edge. Neck relaxed, shoulders relaxed. Look in the front. Don't drop your head and take your head down. Work on taking your chest down. It helps to keep your back straight. Hold there. Breathe. Deep breath in and out. Two more breaths. Inhale both your arms up. Exhale, release. Bend your right knee, foot comes to your inner thigh. Left leg is straight, toes are pointed towards you. Take both your arms up. Inhale, and as you exhale, draw your abdomen in and bend forward. Again, your hands could be on your thigh, shin, your ankle, and if you're able to reach your feet, hold your foot. Look in the front, don't drop your head down. Keep your back straight, don't make a hollow at the back. Press your chest towards your thigh. Breathe and stay there. Deep breaths in and out. Inhale both your arms up. Exhale, release. Janu Shirshasana on our right leg. Left leg comes to your inner thigh. Right leg is straight, knees pressing down. Toes are pointed towards you. Inhale, take both your arms up. Exhale, bend over your right leg. Stay with deep breaths in and out. Feel the stretch at the back of your right leg. Let each breath release the stiffness and tightness from your leg. Inhale both your arms up. Exhale, release, relax. Bend both your knees. Join your feet soles together. Interlace your fingers and keep both your hands on your feet. And start bouncing your knees up and down. Start slow. If your hamstrings are tight and if you have lower back pain, you will not be able to move your legs faster and higher. But as you keep doing it, you will bring flexibility and you will be able to move it faster. Keep your spine straight. If you're comfortable, you can close your eyes as well. Slowly try to increase the range of motion. Keep going. Gently you can stop. Push the feet away from your body, slightly away. Lengthen your spine, take a deep breath in, and as you exhale, take your chest down. Bend over your leg, how much ever you can. Find your edge and stay there. You can also keep your elbows on your thighs, both your hands on your ankles, and then press your elbows and take your chest down. Breathe. 2 more breaths. Gently push yourself up. Come on your fours, tabletop position. Knees should be right underneath your hips. Palms should be right underneath your shoulders. Starting with cat and cow stretch. Inhale, head and tailbone out. Exhale, make a hollow at the back, chin to the chest. Inhale, press your spine towards the floor. Exhale, make a hollow. Inhale. Exhale. Keep going, coordinate the breath and the movement. One last time. And come back center. Lift your right leg. Inline your leg with your hip. Toes are pointing towards the floor. Heel is pointed towards the opposite side. Don't let your leg fall down. Lift it as high as possible. Stay there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Drop your right leg down. Lift your left leg back. Toes are pointed down. Heel is pointed towards the opposite side. Breathe. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Relax. Gently push yourself up. Come all the way up. Both your feet together. Inhale, circle your arms up, come on your toes, heels are way high up. Lengthen your arms. Hold there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Both your arms down, heels down. Moving to chair pose, Utkatasana. Bend your knees, sink your hips down. If you feel balancing is difficult, you can take slight gap between your feet, or you can keep your feet together, whatever you are comfortable. Bend your knees, sink your hips down. Make sure your knees are not going beyond your toes. So imagine there's a chair behind you and you're pushing your hips back and sitting on the chair. Knees should be in. Hands can be to your heart center. Knee pain, don't go too deep. So stay high. Very comfortable. You can go as deep as you can. Hold. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Relax your arms. Relax your legs. Breathe. Always stay with deep breaths. Tree pose. So you can take support if you need to take support of the wall, support of the chair. Shift your weight on your left leg. Ankle, heel comes to your ankle, toes are down. Body is straight, don't push your hips to your right. Keep your body straight. Knees pointed to the right, hands to your heart center. Breathe. If you're very comfortable here, you can move to the next option of taking the foot to your inner calf. Make sure your foot is not on the knee, it's below the knee. Stay there. Find your balance. Focus down on the floor. 3.5 feet on the floor at a stationary object. Last 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Relax. Shift your weight on your right leg. You can stay with whatever option. Simpler is toes are down, heel is to your ankle. If you find this is difficult, you can hold on to something. If you feel you're very comfortable, take the foot to your calf, just below your knee. And body is in a straight line, root down from your right foot. Very comfortable, hands to your heart center. Focus down on the floor, right in front of you. 1, 2, 3, breathe. 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Relax your arms, relax your leg. Forward bend. Again, you can keep your feet together or take gap between your feet. Lower back pain, bend your knees when you are in forward bend. Let's start. Inhale, arms up. Exhale, lengthen your spine and bend forward. Hands can be anywhere on the leg. If you are able to reach the floor, keep your hands on the floor. Lower back pain, soften your knees. Go easy. Breathe. So don't be in a hurry to take your head to your knee. Press your chest. Keep your back flat. Last 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Both your hands on your thighs or on your shin. Lift your head up. Come halfway. Chest is parallel to the floor. Forward bend. Gently roll yourself up. Inhale, both your arms up. Exhale, release. Lie down on your stomach. Lie down flat on your stomach. Forehead on the floor. Both your feet together, both your arms overhead. Take your attention to your abdomen and observe the rise and fall of your abdomen. Gently lift your head, lift your chest. Bring your elbows right underneath the shoulders, Sphinx pose. Separate out your feet. So your elbows need to be right underneath the shoulders. Palms facing down, feet separated. Lift your chest, eyes closed. Now move your attention to your lower back. Breathe there. Two more breaths. Gently go all the way down. Forehead rested on the floor. Bring your feet together. Both your hands close to your chest. Inhale, lift your head up, chest up. Press your palms. Look up. Shoulders should be down. Elbows should be close to your ribs. Hold. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Go down. One more time. Inhale, lift your head up, chest up, press your palms. Stay here. Shoulders down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Go down. Gently push yourself up. Moving to child's pose. Take your knees wide, big toes touching. Rest your hips between your heels, forehead down on the floor. You can keep your hands underneath your forehead and rest your forehead at the back of the palms. Breathe. Gently push yourself up. Lie down on your back. Bend both your knees. Hug both your knees to your chest. Wrap your arms around your knees. If you're comfortable, hold your opposite elbows. Otherwise, keep your hands on your knees and press your thighs to your abdomen, knees to your chest. Slowly release your leg. Draw both your knees to your right. Right hand comes on your left knee. Left hand goes towards the left. Look towards your left. Come back center. Hug both your knees to your chest. Draw both your knees to your left. Left hand comes on your right knee. Right hand goes towards the right. Turn your head to your right. Breathe into the twist. Come back center. Join your feet soles together. Keep both your hands on your thighs or by your side. Eyes softly closed. Slowly bring both your knees together and separate out your feet. Your feet are as wide as your mat. Your knees are together. Counter stretching your thighs. And you can stretch your legs out for Shavasana. Both your feet are apart. Hands are by your side. Palms facing up. Head is in the center. Stay in silence. Gently bring your awareness back to your surroundings. Move your toes, move your fingers. Bring your feet together, stretch your arms overhead. Bend your knees, turn to one side. And whenever you're ready, come up and sit. Sit with your spine straight. Both your hands on your thighs. Let's do Om chanting one time. We always start with an inhale, and as we exhale, we chant Om. Inhale.